What's up YouTube, hello and welcome in new video. Today's video we will talk about specs and price of the Apple iPad Air 2022. Before we start the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe in our channel to have all the news. The iPad Air has Apple's M1 chipset at the helm and optional 5G support with eSIM, but the base model is Wi-Fi only as usual. The M1 chip is definitely the headline feature here, since it allows the iPad Air to match the iPad Pro in performance. Other updates to the iPad Air include the new ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which automatically pans during video calls to keep you in view as you move around, and notice when others join in, smoothly zooming out to include them too. All iPads now feature this experience. On the back there is a 12 megapixel camera, which seems unchanged from the previous generation iPad Air. The USB Type-C port, however, is up to 2 times faster, which data transfers up to 10 gigabytes per second. The screen is still a 10.9 inches liquid retina display with 500 nits of brightness, True Tone support, and an anti-reflecting coating. The new iPad Air has landscape stereo speakers, Touch ID built into the home button. The iPad Air runs iPadOS 15.4 pre-installed. This version of the software will be available as an over-the-air update for the other iPads next week. Thanks to the universal control feature it packs, you'll be able to work with a single mouse and keyboard across multiple Macs and iPads in a seamless fashion with no setup required. You can even drag and drop content back and forth between devices. The new tablet has 100% recycled aluminum enclosure, 100% recycled tin in the solder of the main logic board, and 100% recycled rare earth element in the enclosure and audio magnets. The new iPad Air comes in space gray, starlight, pink, purple, and the stunning new blue. It will be starting from $599 like its predecessor, with 64 GB of storage. A 2056 GB model will be offered too. The new iPad Air will be up for pre-order in 29 countries and regions. From last Friday it started the pre-order, and the device will be shipped on March 18. The Wi-Fi plus 5G model starts at $749. This is it, friends, so don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe for the channel to have all the news. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.